In this video, I will show you step by step how to transfer money from SumUp. So friends, log in your account. This is the first step you need to do. Log in with your all information and on information. After log in your accounts, you will see different things. So friends, look for transfer option from here. Look for transfer fund. As you can see here, choose a transfer fund. When you choose a transfer fund, enter your recipient. After that, account number and sort codes and name. After that, enter your amount you want to transfer. As you can see here, choose $10 or something like this. After the transfer, choose your money, write your recipient as I say, and then complete your process. You can also create a payment link. You can send a text with email, or you can show QR code. From your QR code, you can send money and choose your amount and then click complete steps. This is how you can do. Basically, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video.